Welcome to Narisaki, and today let's make oil-free instant turmeric ginger pickle. And very easy. I have turmeric and ginger, green chilies, cleaned, peeled ginger and turmeric, some lemon juice, and some salt. So I'm going to slice turmeric and ginger, green chilies, chop it into pieces, slice it the way you want, and rest everything is a piece of cake. So let's get started. Take all the vessels, whatever you're taking, take it dry. So take sliced ginger, add turmeric slices, wear gloves if you're worried about your hands getting yellow, green chilies as per your taste, some salt. If you're doing it in a small quantity and finish it up early, then use less salt, lemon juice, because too much salt is not good in the diet. Mix it well. And now we are going to store it in an airtight container. I usually make it in a smaller quantity and store it in a different small sizes. So keep it out at room temperature for 1 day and then store it in a very dry bottle. And after 1 day, you keep it in the refrigerator and all the juices will release. The salt and the lemon juice with all the flavors will get released. So shake it very nicely whenever you're using it. Shake it very nicely and then take a dry spoon and use it. It tastes amazing with hot rice and dal. I love this. So do try this and let me know.